What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on imdb.com and I'm gonna teach you how to create a new watch list, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, as you can see, I'm having currently my watch list and I would like to create a new one. So basically you can create watch lists for all sorts of things. You can create a watch list, let's say you want to watch some horror movies. You can also create a watch list for like thrillers or whatsoever. So basically guys, I'm gonna teach you how to create another one. So when you go to watch lists in the upper right corner, as you can see, you can edit your watch list easily. So we are having this name, which is called your watch lists. So I want to create a new one. So over here below the search bar, let's say next to the share, we are having create a new list option. When you hover it, it goes blue just by press on it. So we are having list title. So let's call it new list. List description, let's say new movies, and whatsoever type of lists. Titles, people, images, let's say titles. We are not gonna make it public because I don't want to make it public, and just press create. So how to add movies to your new lists? You can easily search for them. So as you can see, this way we can search like this. Let's go over here. So let's go like this. So you easily added 2 new movies to the list, and you just press done, and the new watch list have been created. As you can see, when you go to the watch list, you are having also your another list, and you just press on it, and basically you can enter that list easily. So that's it for today's video guys. As I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.